as a result of our pushing them ever so slightly, maybe just nudging them, to use a word from Cass Sunstein and Richard Thaler. The question is, are the choices that they're then making, are they virtuous? Well, my argument is that no. If a person is making a choice because he or she is being pushed in that direction, that's not a virtuous choice, because virtue requires having freely chosen the behavior. Coerced behavior, or even just nudged behavior, to the extent that the person is not completely free in choosing, to that same extent the person is no longer capable of acting virtuously. So take a step back for a second. Where do we get virtuous behavior? Virtuous behavior is the result, as I think, of freely made choices. How do we make those freely made choices? Not all freely made choices, after all, are good. Some of them are bad. So what's the distinction? The distinction, I think, and I'm going to draw on Aristotle, is when we employ the concept of good judgment. The person of good judgment is the one who makes wise, virtuous choices.
Virtuously, virtuously, virtuously.